All right, guys, so we just went over the kind of summary of yesterday's class, and yesterday we did just that. We did what great readers do. We previewed the text, got some information about it, and then we read for literal meaning, and as we just went over, you guys really nailed the summaries, and I was really impressed looking through your writing. That means that today we can actually read for analysis, and we're actually going to determine the theme. In order to do so, I want to make sure, I'm getting ready to tell you what we're going to do today, and I want to make sure that you're actively listening because I'm going to cold call on a few of you to make sure you are super clear when I send you back into the text, okay? And then the way that we're going to do that is actually to use the somebody wants but so strategy that we use for reading. We're going to use that for listening. So I want everybody to put their pens in their hands to get ready to actively listen. Good. Okay, so our goal for today, which is the somebody wants, that somebody wants is us, our goal for today is to identify and determine the central theme of the text. So we're going to write that down. For somebody wants, it's to determine the central theme of the text. Ready? Go. What's our somebody wants? What's our goal for today? Ange.
To determine the central theme.
Boom. That is our goal today. Like any good story, though, there's a little bit of a conflict, and this is the but. So I want you to listen really closely because when I'm done, I'm going to give you 15 seconds to write it down. But on our periodic assessment, we had something that got in our way. We know that a theme has a universal topic, and we did a really good job with that. We picked family, for example, as the topic of the Icarus and Daedalus story. We also answered the question of what is the author saying about that, and we did a really nice job about that. Unfortunately, the problem is that we did not include all parts of the text in order to get the best theme. So the problem is that we did not include evidence from all parts of the text. You got 20 seconds to write down what the problem was in the but line. Ready? Go. Okay, so what was the problem? What was the but that got in the way of us being able to determine the best central theme? Matt?
We didn't include evidence from all parts of the text.
That's awesome. We didn't. Number one, we chose family. Is family a universal topic? Yeah, it is. And we chose it because in almost the entire first page does talk about Icarus and Daedalus and the importance of their family. The problem is that the second half of the story doesn't really talk about family. It talks about his tragic death and how upset that Daedalus was. And in fact, when we look back, there was also some other tragic parts where Icarus was wrongly imprisoned and people were upset about that. If we had included evidence of all parts of the text, then from beginning, middle, and end, then we would have had a better theme that applied to the whole story. So, pens up, so today, when we identify the theme, we're going to do so by pulling one piece of evidence from the beginning, the middle, and the end. I'm going to say that one more time. So today, we're going to determine the best theme by including a piece of evidence from the beginning, middle, and end. How are we going to tackle that? How are we going to tackle today's challenge? Margot?
We are going to pull evidence from the beginning, the middle, and the end, one piece at a time.
Okay. So we're going to hop back into the text and kind of close right there. All right. Let's just kind of go through the criteria. I don't know the timing of it. I don't know. I forgot the time.
We just got to 4 minutes.
4 minutes.